Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to download Rust and work with Cargo. So, Cargo is a package manager and build system for Rust. It helps developers to manage Rust projects by automating many of the tedious and repetitive tasks that come with building software projects, such as compiling source code, managing dependencies, and producing executable files. With Cargo, developers can create new Rust projects from scratch with a single command and then easily add, remove or update dependencies as needed. It also provides many built-in tools and utilities such as built-in testing framework, code formatting tool, and documentation generator to help developers maintain high quality, well documented, and easy to read code. So basically, JavaScript has npm, and as Rust developers we have our Cargo. Cargo will be the package manager that we'll be using. We are going to create projects with Cargo. We are going to build and run our projects with Cargo. So let's talk how we can install Rust and Cargo. If you go to the website rustlang.org, you can see we can download Rust from here. And it says using Rustup recommended because if we download Rust with Rustup, then we are automatically downloading Cargo too. So go ahead and go to the rustlang.org and here download Rust for your operating system and use Rustup so that Cargo downloads automatically. After downloading Cargo, now here to create a project, I'm going to say Cargo new my project. So we are creating new projects with Cargo using Cargo new. It's easy to remember. And if we say cd my project, you can see we have our source folder here and we also have our Cargo.toml. So let's open up this project. And inside this project, as you can see, what we have is a main.rs file. This will be our main file that we are going to be using to run our code. If you programmed before with Java, it's like that. And here we have our Cargo.toml file. This is our package JSON if you ever use npm or if you work with frontend. So this is the place where we add our dependencies and we edit our package information. Once we start using external libraries, we are going to add them here so that we can use with our code. And if you want to update and name version edition with your package, you can also use here too. So let's go to our main.rs file. And here I'm going to open up a new terminal inside my project. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say Cargo build, and this will build our project. With Cargo build, what we are doing is actually we are transforming this code that's humanly readable to a code that the machines can understand and readable by machines. So after this build process, I'm going to say Cargo run, and this is going to execute our code. And as you can see, our output is hello world. We also have another command here, which is cargo check. So cargo check is used to check the syntax and type checking of your code without actually building the project. This can be a useful tool for catching errors early in the development process. So let's say cargo check, and as you can see, it's just checking if everything's alright or not. So this is the basic usage of Cargo, and that's how we are going to create, build, and run our projects. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one where we start coding.